Today, I want to talk about saving money. We all love to save money when we're on vacation, but still have the great experiences. But there are ways to save a few bucks, and we're going to get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, today is day number 3. 3 more days till our next cruise, and we leave for Galveston tomorrow morning. I don't know that I'm even going to get any sleep tonight. I have a hard time sleeping the night before we go on vacation because my excitement levels are so high that, I just cannot sleep. But that's me. Tiffany, out like a light. She has no problem with it whatsoever. Usually I'm waking her up in the morning trying to get her in the truck because I want to leave, 6 hours before we're supposed to, which I'm pretty sure annoys her every single vacation. But let's talk about today's cruise tip, and that is ordering services on board a cruise ship prior to embarkation. And what services I am referring to are things like your Wi-Fi package, specialty dining, or the drink packages. And the reason you want to pre-order those, if you know for sure you're going to order them, is because you can save up to 15% or more if you order them prior to embarkation. Now, a lot of cruise lines these days are now including some of these in your cruise fare, where you can get the drink package included, you can get Wi-Fi included, you can get specialty dining included, but not all of them do. And if you are on a cruise or have a cruise coming up that does not have those items included, then you're going to want to pre-order them just to save a little bit of money. But also think to yourself, are you actually going to use these things before you do spend the money on them? Because some of them, particularly like drink packages, can be very, very expensive, especially if you're not going to drink that much. Right? So your average drink package is roughly $55 per person per day of your cruise. So yes, if you're going to get on the cruise ship and you know you're going to have several glasses of wine, several specialty coffees, several alcoholic beverages, then a drink package may be worth it for you. In my particular case, I am lucky if I drink 4 or 5 drinks the entire cruise. Just not a big drinker in that way. I don't even drink at home at all. The actual only time I ever have a cocktail is on a cruise ship. It's kind of a tradition. You got to get the drink of the day. It's just one of the things I like to do while I'm on a cruise ship. But I will never ever drink enough on a cruise ship to warrant buying a drink package. But if you are a big drinker and know you're going to drink quite a few drinks, order it early. The Wi-Fi package, if you absolutely have to have Wi-Fi and cannot unplug for your vacation, order it early and save yourself a little bit of money. But also remember, the Wi-Fi on cruise ships is at best on some days. Some days it works really good, and some days you want to throw your computer off the balcony. Cruise ship Wi-Fi is not always the best by any means, but if you absolutely have to have it, then purchase it ahead of time. Now, we will have the Wi-Fi package on our upcoming cruise so that we can keep uploading videos and sharing our cruise experience with you guys while we are out there. But honestly, if it was not for this channel, we wouldn't even get the Wi-Fi package because we really have no interest in it other than keeping in contact with our viewers. So definitely check with your cruise line. See what services you can order early. Check and see if ordering spa services early will get you a discount. Ordering water, drinks, and other things to have already sent to your cabin when you arrive on the cruise ship, sometimes even that can be cheaper than trying to get them on board the cruise ship as well. For an example, on our upcoming cruise, I already have a case of bottled water, a case of soda, and some energy drinks already purchased and is going to be in our room when we arrive. So we don't have to go to the bar and spend individual prices on these, which is definitely more expensive than buying them ahead of time. Specialty dining. A lot of times you can also buy specialty dining packages, which can save you money instead of waiting until you get on the cruise ship and buying and paying for individual restaurants. So our tip for the day is order products and services ahead of time anywhere that you can, If you know for sure you're going to use them, check on your cruise line's website. Compare the prices to get them early versus getting them on the cruise ship. Determine which one is best for you. And like I said, save yourself a couple dollars. That's money you can spend on a future cruise down the road, or possibly even just an excursion on your upcoming cruise. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise tip video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you tomorrow from Galveston as we are heading out to the high seas.